Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 3, registers and counters. In this lecture, I am going to discuss serial input, serial output, serial input, parallel input, serial output. Okay, and also parallel input, parallel output using the flip flops. I am going to discuss. Okay, so let us see one by one. Okay, first one, serial input, serial output, shift register, SISO. Okay, so serial input, serial output, it is a type of a register, okay, which takes the values serially one bit at a time at the single input line and shifted to the next flip flops simultaneously. Okay, or a serially. Okay, means it is going to take the data serially one bit at a time and single input in a single input line and shifted to the next flip flop. It is in a serially. Okay, so the output obtained is you will get in a, okay, output is also in a serial fashion. Okay, so now you can, depending on the shift registers within the register, it may be shifted from left to right, shift left register, or a shift from right to left register. You can shift any side. Okay, so you can observe here. Okay, so you can shift left to right or right left. So next, serial input, parallel out, shift register. Serial input, parallel out. Serial input, parallel out means it is a type of a register which takes the data serially, okay, one bit at a time in a single input line, but output is in a parallel fashion. Okay, so you can observe the waveform here. There will be a flip flops, flip flop A, flip flop B, C, D. Okay, so here clock is common here, clear is common, and I am through D flip flop. Okay, I am providing the serial input. Okay, I am taking serial input, I am providing at the first flip flop, and it is going to shift from QA, QB, QC, QD. Okay, so you are taking the output parallel here. Okay, so the operation, okay, so here see, you can see here there are 4 flip flops will be there. Okay, and here reset and clear pin will be there. QA to QD, initially it is logic levels are 0, no parallel output will be there. So if logic 1 is connected, data pin, okay, flip flop A, okay, on the clock first clock pulse, the output of the flip flop A, then the resulting QA will be high. QA will get high with this. Okay, other outputs will still remaining to the low will get. Okay, so you can observe the truth table. QA will become high, other will be 0. Next clock pulse you are going to provide. Okay, so assume that next, okay, second clock pulse FF flip flop 2 will be 0. Okay, so what will get here next, QB will be high, QC will be high 0, QD will be 0. Next third clock pulse, QC will be high, QD will be 0. Fourth clock pulse, QD will be high. Okay, that is going to shift right side. Okay, means at a time parallel output you are going to take here. Okay, the effect of the clock pulse is shift of the data contents each stage one place to the right place. Okay, one place to the right, and this is, okay, you can see here, you can see the waveform also. Okay, it is going to shift, and also you are going to take the parallel output. Okay, serial input you are going to provide, and you are going to taking the output simultaneously. Okay, so data movement you can observe it through the waveform here. Okay, so next, parallel in serial out shift registers. Okay, so parallel in serial out shift registers, data will enter in what fashion, means here data is going to enter parallel in, okay, serial out. Parallelly you are going to provide the inputs, and at a time you are going to provide the input, and you are going to take the output in a serially. Okay, that is the working of the parallel in serial out shift registers. So you can observe, suppose you are shifting the data. Okay, 4-bit number will be there, 1011, then all the inputs are fed to the respective flip flops. The single clock pulse, all the data are entered to the all the flip flops, then okay, so you can observe the waveform here. So all the flip-flops data is entered here. Okay, so then what happens, A B C D will be there. Okay, QA QB QC QD. Okay, means parallel data input lines A B C D you are providing, and there is a port number 4 D flip-flops will be there, clock will be there. Okay, so okay, there will be a B C D are the 4 parallel data input lines, and shift or load. Okay, is load is a control what? Load is a control the input that allows the only 4 bits of the data to the A B C D inputs to enter the register in a parallel, or a shift the data in a serial. When shift or load is high, the AND gate G1 G3 AND gate G1 G3 and G5 are enabled. Okay, and allowing the data to shift right from the one flip flop to the other flip flop. When shift load is low, and AND gate G2, okay, G2 G4 and G6 are enabled, allowing the data in a parallel inputs. When the clock pulse is applied, the flip flop D equal to 1 will be set. Okay, flip flop D equal to 1, flip flops D equal to 1, then set. Okay, and the flip flops D equal to 0, that is a reset, thereby storing all the 4 bits of data simultaneously. OR gates allow either the normal shifting operation or the parallel data entry operation, depending on each of the AND gates are enabled by the level the shift or level to shift the or load. Okay, levels on the shift or load registers. Okay, load input. Okay, so next one, parallel input, parallel output, shift register. Okay, parallel in, parallel out. Parallel input you are going to take the parallel output. So you can observe. Okay, output will be taken what? In a parallel fashion. So here the data bits can be entered parallel into the flip flop simultaneously rather than the bit by bit. Okay, next, so there will be a circuit diagram. Okay, you can observe here there are also 4 flip flops. Okay, at a time, so I am going to apply the data inputs A B C D. So you are going to take the output. Okay, at a simultaneously or parallelly you are going to take the output here. From the diagram you can observe here A B C D inputs directly connected to the D inputs of the respective flip flops on the applying the clock transitions. Okay, these inputs are entered into the registers immediately available to the output of Q1 Q2. Okay, that is the working of the parallel in, parallel out shift registers. Okay, so in this session we have discussed serial input, serial output, serial in, parallel output. Okay, parallel in, serial out, and parallel in, parallel out using the flip flops. Okay, thank you.